Hello, I'm here today to introduce you to an exciting new feature, add-ons for Minecraft Education. Add-ons let you safely customize your Minecraft education experience by adding new elements like blocks, mobs, items, recipes, and other content to your new or existing Minecraft education worlds. And the best part? Using add-ons is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're ready, I'm going to take you through the steps and show you how you can use add-ons with your Minecraft worlds today. Step 1. Install. Choose an add-on that you'd like to install. Minecraft Education add-ons use the file extension .mc add-on and use the same familiar Minecraft Education bookshelf icon used for MC World files. Double-click the add-on file and it will automatically open Minecraft Education and begin the installation process. If you have multiple versions of Minecraft on your device, you may need to choose Open With and select Minecraft Education Edition from the list. Now that your add-on is installed, it's ready to use. How you use it will depend on what type of add-on you've chosen. For example, if your add-on was a player skin pack, the new skins will be found in the skin picker, which is accessible by clicking the clothes hanger icon from the title screen. If your add-on contains new features or content, it most likely installed resource and behavior packs that can be activated when creating a new world or launching an existing one. Step 2. Activate. Let me show you how to activate those packs. Let's start with creating a new world. From the Create New World menu, scroll down on the left side window until you see resource packs or behavior packs. Some add-ons require both resource and behavior packs, such as a new mob, block, or item, while some other add-ons may only require one of the other. Let's take a look. Click on Resource Packs to open the Resource Pack menu. From here, you can see which packs are activated and which packs are available. With the Available tab selected, click My Packs and look for your newly installed content. If you don't see your add-on in Resource Packs, check in Behavior Packs. A well-made add-on will link all packs required, so that activating one pack will activate all dependencies as well. When you have found the pack, click Activate to apply it to the world you're creating. The pack will leave the Available tab and will now show up in the Active tab. If you like, you can check the Behavior Packs menu to verify whether or not your add-on included a behavior pack and if it was installed. You can see in the Open Active tab that this pack did include behaviors and the pack was successfully activated as well. Now all that's left to do is to press the play button that will create and launch your new add-on supported world. Which leads us to Step 3. Play. Welcome to your new world. How you find your add-on content and how you use it will depend on the type of add-on you've installed. If you added new mobs, blocks, or items, check your creative inventory for your new content. Added stuff should appear at the end of the Minecraft category it was added to. You can also just search for your new content by name. Now that you're an add-on pro, let's make you an expert. What really makes add-ons shine is their ability to be stacked together, allowing multiple add-ons to be applied to a world. This allows you to create your own unique environments customized to your precise specifications. Let's close this world and add another add-on. Once again, find and install your add-on following the previous instructions. Once installed, let's add this new content to our existing world. From the My Worlds menu, click the world you just created. Several options will appear. Click Settings and you'll find yourself in the Edit World menu, which looks a lot like the Create New World menu. Scroll down in the left-hand side window and click on Resource Packs. On the right side of the screen, the Resource Pack menu will show you that you have one pack already installed. Click the Available tab and under the My Packs drop-down, locate and activate your next add-on pack. When updating an existing world, you'll be presented with a warning message. It suggests that you save a copy of your world and warns you that you're about to modify how your world looks or behaves. This pop-up message gives you the option to go back or proceed with the activation. Choosing Add the Pack Anyway activates the add-on pack, which just like before, moves it from available to active. Looking at the Active tab, we can see all of our active resource packs. The packs are applied to the world from the bottom of the list to the top. While this order may not seem important, it can be valuable to stack packs in a specific order if both packs change the same assets, as the highest ranked pack asset will be the one you see if there are conflicts. Now, let's play. Back in our world, we can see that we now have access to both of our new add-ons. And the best part is, you can keep on adding and removing add-on packs, creating worlds tailor-made to your wants and needs. I hope that add-ons will help you craft your perfect Minecraft experience. Whether you're a teacher or a student, I'm sure you'll find add-ons are a fantastic way to take your Minecraft education content to the next level. Thank you for your time today, and as always, thanks for playing.